Welcome to Rustic Roots Nature's Charms Farmers Market, located in the heart of beautiful Alligator Lake, Orlando, Florida. Come experience the perfect blend of nature, community, and creativity. With a full food court offering delicious meals, you'll find something to satisfy every craving. With plenty of free parking and easy access, it's a breeze to visit us. Whether you're here for the food, the crafts, or the entertainment, there's something for everyone. Visit our Welcome Center to get all the information you need to shop away for the rest of the day. Visit our website for more details and updates. See you soon! Rustic Roots Nature's Charm, crafted with care.